likely drop from academic watch to academic emergency when the report cards are published.
Cleveland Public Schools are headed for their lowest state rating in 7 years. Good evening, I'm Danita Harris.
And I'm Chris Flanagan. A disappointed school superintendent reacts to the report card data and the impact he hopes it'll have on the upcoming 15 mil levy. We have live team coverage starting with News Channel 5's Deborah Lee. She's live tonight at the school administration building. Deb.
Well, as you know, CEO Eric Gordon is a no excuses man, and he had no excuses tonight for the poor academic showing. However, he says it's a stark reminder of how important that Cleveland plan for transforming schools really is. You could see the frustration in CEO Eric Gordon's face when he learned that the Cleveland School District will likely get an F on the new state report card.
We have a lot of work to do. We knew that before this data came out. If anything, it's a stark reminder of why the Cleveland plan is so important and why we actually have to restore all of the cuts we've made over the last 2 years.
Cleveland schools have made more than $114 million in budget cuts the last 2 years, including more than 1,000 teachers and staff. Class sizes are larger, school days are shorter, but Gordon makes no excuses.
At the end of the day, we didn't get it done, and we cannot continue to make the deep cuts that we've made year by year and expect to get great results.
This is last year's report card. The new state data is still preliminary, but test scores were flat with no real improvement. And for the second year in a row, Cleveland schools didn't meet the value added measure, which shows whether students met the expected 1 year of growth in reading and math. Gordon believes the Cleveland plan for transforming the schools can change all of that if voters approve a 15 mil levy in November.
It's just another reminder of why we have to pass Issue 107, put the resources into our schools to implement the Cleveland plan that we promised for this community.
Now, Gordon gives his State of the Schools address at the City Club tomorrow, and you can bet that this state report card, as well as the Cleveland plan and the levy, will take front and center. Live downtown, Deborah Lee, News Channel 5.
And Deb,